Good morning, students. I once again welcome you in this online lecture. We saw the most of parts how the event Retrimich imagine his beautiful life with the money he thinks he is going to have because he has won the lottery ticket. It is the first time that we notice that both dream a luxurious life and both start hating each other. This is the couple. First of all, I would like to say that they love each other. They were living happy life with a meager income, but now for the first time they start hating each other. They start doubting each other, and for the first time they find that their life partner is old and plain. Now see, they want to go to abroad, enjoy life, but even Retrimich thinks that for the use of taking such a lady to abroad, she will not allow him to do any other activity and she will confine him into the one place. So that we saw in the previous video. Let's see now. Even Daydreamish thought of her relations. All those rich brother and sister and aunts and uncle would come crawling about as soon as they heard of winning ticket. Would begin would begin whining like beggar and frowning upon them with oily, hypocritical smile. Rich, detestable people, if they were giving anything, they would ask for more, while if they were. Now, see these parts, and then we will turn our page and we will see the next part. So, Ivan Detrimich thought of her relations. Now, the thought of relations come in his mind. Earlier, he was thinking about her youthlessness of coming into abroad, and he was thinking about his stingy natures. Now he thinks about her relations, her relative, all those wretched brother. Now for the words he used, wretched brothers and sisters and aunts and uncle would come crawling, not walking. Here the words he has used the crawling. That means he is a serpent or a snake or the reptile. They are the reptile creature who comes crawling. So what are the words he has used to describe their situation, to describe their coming? Crawling about as soon as they hears of winning ticket, would begin whining like beggars, and they would begin whining or crying like beggar or crying in loud manner, just as beggar shout in loud manner. So he thinks that her relatives would come growlings and they would shout like beggars in front of them and frowning upon them with oily hypocritical smile. It's hypocritical smile. That means मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला म्हणतो ढोंगी स्माईल. Hypocritical smile. Wretch, detestable people. He also used the word wretch and detestable people for the relative of his wife. Wretch means detest, ज्याचा आपण तिरस्कार करतो. सॉरी, डिटेस्टेबल म्हणजे ज्याचा आपण तिरस्कार करतो, आणि व्रेच म्हणजेच दयनीय असलेले पीपल, दयनीय अवस्थेत असलेले, ज्याचा आपण तिरस्कारयुक्त किंवा रागयुक्त आपण वल्नरेबल पीपल जसे आपण त्याला म्हणतो. इफ दे वेअर गिवन एनिथिंग दे वुड आस्क फॉर मोर. अँड ही थिंक्स दॅट इफ दे वेअर गिवन एनिथिंग दे दे वुड आस्क फॉर मोर. दॅट मीन्स जसं मराठीमध्ये म्हणते ना, करांगळे दिलेत हात पकडतात, तशासारखं त्याला म्हणायचं आहे. व्हाईल इफ दे वेअर refuse, they would swear at them, slander them, and wish them every kind of misfortune. And if they refuse to give anything, they would start cursing. They would start swear at them. शिवा द्यायला सुरुवात करणार. Misfortune, they would start cursing, and they would say each and every words that brings misfortune. Even Dietrich remember his own relations and their faces, at which he had looked impartially in the past, struck him now as repulsive and hateful. He not only imagined the relative of his wife as wretched people, detestable peoples, hypocritic peoples, but he also imagined his own relative in this time. Earlier, he thought that his relatives were good. He looked at them impartially, but now the same relatives become repulsive and hateful for him. He started hating them. Why these changes happens? Why these changes occurs to him? Only because of thinking of money. He thought of that 75,000, and that the thinking of 75,000 made him that thinking of 75,000 brought him all these changes in his behavior and in his thinking. They are such a reptile, he thought. Here the words use reptile. Reptile means that creature who crawl on the earth. सरपटणारे प्राणी आपण ज्याला म्हणतो, दॅट इज कॉल्ड द रेप्टाईल. नाऊ आता ह्या इव्हॅन जो आहे त्याच्या नातेवाईकांना आणि त्याच्या बायकोच्या नातेवाईकांना रेप्टाईल क्रिएचर असा म्हणून संबोधतो. सरपटणारे प्राणी असा तो त्यांना संबोधतो. किती खालच्या दर्जाचा हा विचार तिथे करू राहिला जेव्हा त्याला असं कळलं की तो 75,000 जिंकलेला. And his wife's face too struck him as repulsive and hateful. Look, now he also think about his wife as a hateful creature and repulsive creature. What a changes that money has brought in his thinking, in his way of behaving. Anger grudge up in his heart against her, and he thought malignantly, she knows nothing about money, and so she is stingy. If she owned it, she would give me 100 rubles and put the rest away under lock and key. Now she consider his wife stingy. Stingy means काटकसरीने जसं आपण कंजूस ज्याला म्हणतो, दॅट इज कॉल्ड स्टिंजी. He consider his wife as stingy, and he thinks that she doesn't know about anything about money, and she would give him only small amount of money and lock the rest of money. And he look at his wife not with a smile now, but with hatred. She glanced at him too, and also with hatred and anger. She had her own daydreams, her own plan, her own reflections. She understood perfectly well what her husband dreamed were. She knew who would be the first to try and grab her, winning. Now, the reaction of his wife, Masha, also shown here. She too was imagining a different life. She realized when she looked at the face of her husband, she realized what she might have thinking. She instantly come to know her thinking. She's to start hating him. She also glance at him. Glance at means to look at him with hatred and anger. The same thing, the same way he also behave, just as his husband, just as her husband behave. It is very nice making daydream at the other people's expense. Is what her eye express. No, don't you dare. Now, without saying a word, her eye express a message. That is, it is a very nice making daydream at the other people's expense. What the message she convey with her eye? It's very nice to see and to dream the luxurious life with the money of other, but don't dare to do such a things. It is also a message she expressed. Her husband understood her look. Hatred began stirring against in his breast, and in order to annoy his wife, he glanced quickly to spite her at the fourth page on the newspaper and read out triumphantly. So, when she look at her husband, that means even her look also give a message. Even easily understood her message, and instantly he start looking the paper and try to read out the number in the paper. Series 9499, number 46, not 26. Hatred and hope both disappear at once, and it began immediately to seem to even Trimich and his wife that their room were dark and small and low pitch, that the supper they had been eating was not doing them good, but lying heavy on their stom- stomach. That evening were long and wearisome. So instantly they realize when he read newspaper that no doubt the series is the same, but the number is not 26 but it's 46. So their dreams comes to an end at this point. They began to see that their room is small and dark. What the devil's the meaning of it? What the devil's the meaning of it? Said the event Trimich, beginning to be ill humor. Whatever one step, there are bits of paper under one's feet. Crumb, hush, the room are never swept. One is simply forced to go out. Damnation take my soul entirely. I shall go and hang myself on the first aspen tree. So instantly their dream comes to an end. He and she realize the reality. He realized that under his feet there is a small pieces of paper. That means the room has not been swept. He also realized that whatever he dreamed of when he started hating, that things now made him guilty, and he thought that he should hang himself because of dreaming such a dirty thing about his wife. And here your lessons stop. Thank you.